Here I have LG X Power2, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove all kinds of the screen lock protections such as the pattern, pin, password, knock code. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys, keep holding both keys. As soon as LG logo pops up, let's release power and then let's hold it again. As you can see, the factory data reset menu pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. Let's scroll down to yes and press power button to confirm it. Afterwards, let's scroll down one more time by using the volume down key and tap yes in order to delete all user data such as the personal stuff, personal information, customized settings and the installed apps. So let me press power key to choose yes. The device is performing right now the factory reset operation. Let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the hard reset is performing. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.